Hi guys, just something fun for you to do at home. If you have a hair dryer and some ping pong balls, then you can do this. Watch what happens when I turn the hair dryer on and I put the ping pong ball over the flow of air coming out of that. Let's see what happens. That is so cool. It looks like it's just floating in the air, doesn't it? It's just floating away, floating away. What this is caused from is the pressure from the hair dryer pushes up. The Earth's gravity pushes down. The ball sits at the point where the two forces are equal. So that's the scientific reason, but I'm just doing it because it's fun. Let's see if we can maybe do 2 ping pong balls at once. I really don't know. I haven't tried this, so let's just see if we can. Oh my goodness, that was really cool. Okay, now I have no idea what the scientific reason for this is, but we're going to take a small tube and see what happens when we put it over the ball. Watch what happens. It popped up pretty high, didn't it? All right, now let's see if we can get a bigger one. Do you think we can make it go higher? Uh-oh, it's not working. Let me try that one again. And here we go. Wow, it went even higher. Now, I don't know if you can see this one or not, but we're going to try it again and see if we can get it way high in the air. So here goes. Are you ready? I'm going to scoot back a little bit, but I still don't think you'll be able to see it. Whoa! It went really, really high. Okay, just something fun for you to do at home. Try it, have fun with it, and enjoy. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.